Most people think canceling a subscription is complicated, hidden behind menus, or designed to make you stay longer than you want. And with Walmart Plus, that confusion is even more common. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming you must call customer service to cancel. You don't. Here's the truth, no one tells you. You can cancel Walmart Plus in just a few minutes directly from your phone or computer. And if you do it correctly, you can even avoid being charged again. In this video, you will learn exactly how to cancel Walmart Plus step by step in 2026, what happens after you cancel, and the small details most people miss that can cost them money. Let's start with what Walmart Plus actually is. It is a subscription service from the company Walmart that offers benefits like free delivery, fuel discounts, and early access deals. It is useful for frequent shoppers, but not everyone continues to need it long term. Now here's where it gets interesting. The cancellation process is not hard, but it changes slightly depending on whether you signed up through the app, the website, or a third-party billing system like Apple or Google. Let's go through the simplest method first. If you are using the Walmart app, open it and sign in to your account. Go to your account section and look for Walmart Plus membership. Tap on it, and you will see your membership details. Scroll until you find the option that says Manage Membership or Cancel Membership. Once you tap Cancel, Walmart may show you a few retention offers. These could include discounts or reminders about benefits you are losing. This is normal. But here's the problem. Many users stop here and think they are already canceled. You are not. You must continue through the confirmation steps. Follow the prompts until you see a final confirmation screen. That is when your cancellation is actually complete. Now let's talk about desktop users. If you are on a computer, go to the Walmart website, log into your account, and open your Walmart Plus section. The process is almost identical. You select Cancel, Confirm, and finish the steps until you get a confirmation message. But here's something important most people miss. If you subscribe through Apple or Google, canceling inside the Walmart app may not stop billing. You must go to your phone settings, open subscriptions, and cancel it from there. Otherwise, you could still be charged, even after thinking you canceled. Now here's what happens after you cancel. You will still keep your benefits until the end of your current billing cycle. So if you cancel today but your renewal date is next week, you can still use Walmart Plus until that date. After that, access ends automatically. Another key tip is checking your email. You should receive a cancellation confirmation from Walmart. If you do not receive it within a few minutes, go back and double-check your account status to make sure the cancellation went through properly. Also, if you change your mind later, you can always rejoin Walmart Plus from the same membership page without losing your account history. So, here is the simple summary. Open your account, go to Membership Settings, cancel directly, confirm the final step, and verify your email. That is all it takes. The key takeaway is this. Canceling Walmart Plus is not difficult, but you must complete every confirmation step and check your billing source to avoid surprise charges. If this guide helped you, like the video, leave a comment if you had any issues canceling, and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides that save you time and money.